Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0x80004005 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a network reset. So here's what you have to do to perform a network reset. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now you can go to the Network and Internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Advanced Options, Advanced Network Settings, select Network Reset, and finally click on Reset Now, and then click on Yes to initiate the network reset. After this, you can consider disabling the antivirus, but do it temporarily. Once your job is done, you can reactivate it. Okay, so search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Okay, go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab. Select Scan option, select Full Scan, scroll down and click on Scan Now and let it run through. And the last solution is a disk cleanup. So search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and open Disk Cleanup. Click on OK. Check all the options here, each and every one of them. And then click on OK and then click on Delete Files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.